Let's take that image of peace that's mine, and peace it's mine to live and mine to share. Let's take that into some meditation together. So, as you breathe in and breathe out, get comfortable in your seat. Let go of any tension that you may have in your shoulders, in your back, in your hips. Let go of any tension at all. Relax. If you're comfortable, close your eyes as we focus in. The peace of God is mine to live and mine to share. You may wonder, how do I find peace when I look at things that are happening around me? Do you ever feel that way? How do I find peace when I look around me? And I invite you in this moment to turn your vision inward. Turn your spiritual eyes to the center, to your core. This is the place inside you of the silence. This is the place where there's an altar in you, where you can bring your fear and your worries, your concerns. You can bring those things to the core, because the core of you is peace. It is love. It is kindness. It is holy. It is Christ. It is God. The peace is yours to live. And when we settle into that peaceful place inside, the peace is ours to live, and it's ours to share. The peace in you can be shared with the person beside you. You bring it. You bring that love, that peace, and you bring it to others. So as we enter the silence together and sit for a few moments in silence, focus in on the peace in you, because the peace of God is yours to live, and it's yours to share. And as you breathe in, know that each breath you breathe in is peace. You can see peace and feel peace and know peace. And as you breathe out, you can breathe out peace, because the peace of God is yours to live and yours to share. And so it is.